decided to take a bath in the toilet. It was all brown because there was chocolate ice cream in the toilet and mud and poop. So the girl who never ever took a shower got very dirty, which made her mother mad. So girls and boys, always take your showers so your mom will never get angry, okay?